Hello po.
Hello ma'am, good morning po.
May problem kasi ako sa walls ko. Nagkakaroon kasi siya ng water stain and then leaks sa aking mga walls. And suggest kasi ng mga friends ko is magpa-renovate na lang. Pero hindi na kasi kaya ng budget ko eh. May masasuggest pa kayo or marirecommend na effective at affordable?
Yes ma'am, actually meron kaming bagong product from Korea. Ito yung tinatawag namin na Baritex 6000. Ito yung aming ultimate waterproof solution. Actually ma'am, it's very durable at easy lang ma-absorb ng mga walls po natin. Unlike ng iba kasing mga waterproofing solution ma'am, madali lang din ipahid, pero mga ilang araw lang, natatanggal lang din ito. At yung aming Baritex 6000 ma'am is very flexible at meron tong protective layers na nakakapag-prevent ng water penetration. At saka ma'am, meron po kami nito, Metro Manila, nagbibigay po kami ng free sample.
Sige, try ko nga muna siya.
Sige pa ma'am.
The product is applied to their exterior walls and bathroom, areas prone to moisture issues. The quick drying formula ensures minimal downtime, and within hours, their home is fully protected.
Hello po.
Hello ma'am, ito po kayo.
Magpa-purchase na po sana ako ng Baritex 6000 kasi yung binigay niyo sa akin na free sample. And after weeks of heavy rain, wala pa rin siyang leaks, walang stain and damage. So the Baritex 6000 works perfectly. Talagang highly recommended siya sa mga katulad ko na may problema sa kanilang mga.
Yes ma'am, we have one pail po for 4,000 at saka yung aming 1 liter for 300 pesos po. Protect your home and business with Baritex 6000 today. Available ang aming Baritex 6000 for pick-up, delivery, and Shopee checkout.